Fire Protection Services is a fun place to work. It's a smaller company, so you get to know everybody. It feels like a family. We laugh together, we learn together, we grow together. We all learn how to do our jobs better because we're willing to reach out to one another and help each other with issues. I really enjoyed getting to be a part of Fire Protection Services, a smaller team with a lot of big goals. We have an environment that's friendly. We have a team that's willing to get out there and work and help each other out. There's not a time here where I've ever needed something and someone hasn't been willing to help me out. It's neat to be able to be part of a business where you actually feel like you're helping other people out and doing something good for the community.